Right then, we're at Roker again. We'll have a little fly about with the Mini 3 Pro. Skies are a bit grey and looks like it could be a bit windy, but the app says it's alright, so we'll give it a go. It's a bit windy like. Right, well, it was a little bit too gusty for my liking, so I just went up, then got attacked by a seagull the size of a Labrador, and it was very angry as well. So all I did was flew up and down the beach a few times and then came back because that was the safest thing to do. Yeah, might not be the most exciting video, I'll try my best. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, give us a thumbs up. Leave a comment below if you've ever been attacked by a really angry seagull the size of a Doberman. Share with a friend, and if you haven't already, subscribe. Catch us later. Bloke in the car behind me staring at us as if I'm a nutcase, or his next victim. I think it's time I left.